How are you? Okay. In the previous class, what we learned? In the previous video, what I said to you? Yeah, I said about the clothes what we wear. Yes. So what I said to you? Do you watch the video? Okay. Why do we have to? Why do we wear clothes? And what type of clothes we wear? Okay, everything I told in the last previous video. Okay, once I will revise to you. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? మనం క్లోత్స్ ఎందుకు వేసుకోవాలి? Yes, clothes will protect us from heat. Clothes will protect us from heat. Next, cold. Next, rain. Next, what is the next? Dust. Yeah, insects. INSECTS, insects. Clothes will protect us from the heat, cold, HEAT, heat, COLD, cold, RAIN, rain, dust, 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 and insects. INSECTS, insects. So these are clothes are protecting us from these all. So that's why we have to wear. So this clothes we are from where we are getting these all the types of clothes. So we are wearing different types of clothes. Okay, only one type of clothes we are wearing. No, we are wearing so many different, so many colorful clothes we are wearing. Colorful, so much of some variety of clothes we are wearing. So which is gives us looks us very smart కదా. సో మనం స్మార్ట్గా చూపించే ఏ క్లోత్స్ వేసుకుంటే మనం స్మార్ట్గా ఉంటాము అలా చూస్ చేసుకుని we will wear different types of clothes. These clothes from where we are getting. ఈ క్లోత్స్ మనకి ఎక్కడి నుండి వస్తున్నాయి ఏం చెప్పాను? Yes, these are coming from the plants and animals also. These also we are getting from the plants and animals. MALS, animals, plants and animals. We are getting the clothes from plants and animals. Okay, children. So from the plants, what we are getting? Yes, plants means see from the plants that is a cotton. We are getting the cotton. COTTON, cotton. Do you know cotton? Yeah. So from the cotton plant we are getting the cotton. Then from that we are getting cotton clothes. Then animals. Do you know in the winter season what we will wear to keep us warm? Yeah, we will wear sweaters. Yes, sweaters. How we are making the sweaters? Yeah, this here the sweater is making from the woolen. So this woolen is coming from the sheep. We are getting the plants, animals, that is sheep. Sheep gives us a woolen. WOOLLEN, woolen. This is a sheep. From the sheep we are getting the woolen. From that woolen we are making the sweaters, scarves, some caps. Okay, everything we are making us to keep us warm. So that's a element. And one more thing. Do you know silkworm? Silkworm. Silkworm. See in Telugu we will say as a pattu purugu antaru. ఏమంటారు? In Telugu we can say this pattu purugu. అంటే silk clothes. We are very traditionally we will wear the silk clothes. So ఏవైనా festivals, otherwise any functions, marriages, what we will use to wear? Yes, silk clothes. It is a very expensive and very traditional dresses. That silk from where we are getting? From the silkworm. From the silkworm. Yeah, we are getting that is silk. Okay, these are the clothes. Okay, next what I said? Yeah, so in all the seasons, now after that I said to you the seasonal clothes. Now I will explain to you. These are all completed in the previous video. Just once again I am revising. Okay, be careful. Seasonal clothes. Yes, very good. seasonal. How many seasons is there? Yeah, how many seasons? 3 seasons are there. What are those seasons? Summer. Say the spelling of summer everyone. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Then after winter. What is the next one? Winter. W-I-N-T-R. Winter. Then after rain. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. So now tell me that what is the completed season? Yeah, summer is completed, but little bit hot is there, but it is completed the summer. In summer, which type of clothes we will wear? In summer, so already finished. So, do you wear a silk clothes or a tight clothes? Otherwise, can we wear sweaters in the summer season? No. Yeah, we will wear always cotton. We will use to wear a cotton clothes. We will use to wear the cotton clothes. Why we have to wear a cotton clothes? See, it keeps us cool. Cotton keeps us cool. Cotton keeps us cool. Yes. Cotton clothes manali cool ga challaga untayi. It absorbs the sweat. It absorbs the sweat. So in the summer season we will get so much of a sweat, a lot of sweat inside of the room also, other outside of the room also. But in anywhere we will get most of our sweat. We will get more sweat. Yes, chala chamatlu pattastayi kadandi. So if we will wear silk clothes, if we will wear silk clothes, silk does not absorb the. Is the silk will absorb the sweat? No, silk does not absorb the sweat. It only the cotton. It is a very light colored. So that sweat will absorb the cotton. So we have to wear in summer season cotton clothes. Why? Because it keeps us cool and it absorbs the sweat. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now I will go to the winter season. In winter season, which type of clothes we will wear? Which type of clothes we will wear? Yeah, we will wear woolen clothes. We will wear woolen clothes. In winter season, we will wear woolen clothes. Why we have to wear woolen clothes? Why? Because it keeps us warm. Woolen clothes will keep us warm. So again, woolen clothes will keep us warm. అంటే మనం చక్కగా వెచ్చగా ఉండడానికి in the winter season how the climate is to be too cool. Yes, చాలా చల్లగా చాలా కూల్గా ఉంటుంది. So can we go with free light weight dresses like a cotton dresses వేసుకుని మనం బయటకు వెళ్ళగలమా? No, because it is too cool. చాలా చల్లగా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి. So what we like to wear? Yeah, we will like to wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. ఈ క్లాస్ woolen clothes మనల్ని వెచ్చగా ఉండడానికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట. సో కాబట్టి ఈ woolen clothes వేసుకుంటాం. Woolen clothes, what are the woolen clothes we will wear? Yes, we will use to wear woolen sweaters. What are we will use? Sweaters, scarves, then yes, mufflers, caps and blouses. We will wear the blouses also now. So and socks, woolen socks, everything we will use to wear in the winter season. Is it okay? Now rainy season. Now which season is going now? Yeah, it is a rainy season. Now rainy season. In rainy season, which type of clothes we will wear? Rainy season. Yeah, when we go outside, we will use to wear raincoats. Next, Okay, next. What is the next? Yes, umbrellas. Next, what is the next? Umbrellas, raincoats. Next, gumboots. Yes. Gumboots. So, like that, full rain jackets, everything we will use to wear. Why? Because these raincoats and everything will protect us from the wet. See, ఇవి వేసుకోకుండా బయటకు వెళ్ళామనుకోండి వర్షం వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది మనం తడిచిపోతాం. సో these raincoats umbrellas will protect us from the wet. బయటకు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు తడిచిపోకుండా these will be protect us. Is it clear, children? Okay, these are the seasonal clothes. Okay, now with the seasonal clothes. Say this after what we will wear. Yeah, see some. So if you will go to school, do you go with fancy dress or any nice frock, party wear frock? Do you go to school like it? So if is there any occasion or if your birthday, in these two times only you will wear the civil dress. Otherwise what you will wear? Yes, uniforms. Uniform. So is your teacher will allow you without uniform to class? You should not allow your teacher. Yes? Yes. It is we must wear the uniform. Whatever our school's uniform, we have to follow. The children will wear, school children will wear uniforms. Not only the school children. Yes. See, because we have to identify their occupationally. And children, see if you take in a doctors. See, doctors what they will wear. So easily we have to identify the doctor. When we will identify? Doctor will wear a white coat. Yes. Doctors. 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 What the doctors are? So we have to identify them. Some special occasions, some special offices, they will use the uniforms. Okay, they will use the uniforms. So doctors what they will wear? White coats. And nurse, she also wear come in a uniform. What she will wear? Yeah, she will come in a white skirt. Okay, now white frock. With white frock she will come. And also if you take in the lawyers. Lawyers, what they will wear? Yeah, they will wear a black full coat, fully covered a black coat, and in the neck they will white bow, they will white tie, they will tie, and they will wear a, so we have to identify the lawyers. So otherwise if they are in the civil dress, can we identify he is a lawyer or he is a doctor or he is a policeman, like it can be? No. So to identify easily they will use to wear a uniforms. Okay, so some special persons. These are the public service people. Okay, doctors, lawyers, nurses, police officers. Police officers, like that. Every people they will use to wear the uniforms. Okay, in the special occasions, in the special days, in our birthdays, we will use to wear our dresses. Just once again, I will show to you that in a seasonal. Already I have shown to you. See again, I am showing to you that. Okay. See, in the summer season, we have to wear the light colored clothes, cotton clothes they are using. See how they wear and they are going. In the winter season, they used the salvas, next scarves, mufflers, everything, sweaters and everything they use it. and they are coming outside because they have to protect from the cold. Next, in the rainy season. In the rainy season, see, they use it to gumboots, next umbrellas, raincoats, and everything they use it to protect from the wet. Okay, children? Okay. Now, see that. But we are all wearing the different. Is all the people are wearing the same type of dresses? Okay, if any occasion is going, all the people will come in one type of dress only. No, different people will wear different types of clothes. I will say that one in the next. See, children, I said to you that all the types of dresses and uniforms and everything. Okay, now I will continue to see is of girls, boys, or everyone will wear same type of dress. So now today I will say now what are the types of dresses for the men and women. Okay, so do you understanding for the men and women what are the types of dresses? See, is the boys and girls both with same dresses wear? Same. See, if you take in a boy, can the boy will wear the frock? No. Okay. Is the girl will wear the pant and shirt? No. For the boys and for the girls, there is a different types of dresses. I will say now. Okay. See, children. First, gents wear. We will say gents wear. Yeah, gents wear. You can say very easily. Yeah. Say boys, what are the gents wear? Tell me. Yes. Shirts. Yes. Shirts. Next, trousers. Next, shorts. T-shirts. Say now. So many are there. Yes. Kurta. Kurta, pajama, so these are the different types of dresses worn by gents. See this one again. Once I will show to you that these are all the different types of dresses. Okay, children. See, shirts, trousers, shorts. Okay, next kurta, pajama, T-shirts and everything will be there. These are the different types of men's wear, gents wear. Okay. Now I will say to you what are the yes ladies wear. Now girls will wear yes ladies wear. See, what are the ladies will wear? Yes, first everyone will say that sari. Saris. Next, sari and blouse. Next, girls. What are the girls will like to wear? Yes, frocks. Yes, skirts. Say. Salwar kameez. Salwar kameez. These are the different types of ladies wear. See, these are girls will wear. So, in our country, the ladies will wear salwar kameez and sari and blouse. Most of the ladies will used to wear these two types. Okay, most probably the ladies used to wear these two. Okay, in so many places. Okay, children. Now, some accessories. In the special occasions, what we will use some accessories. What are those some accessories? Okay. So socks, ties, shoot, raincoat. See that? See this? Some accessories. I will show to you that. Here see some accessories. Is it? Okay. See this is scarf, bow, socks. Okay, muffler, sweaters, ties, raincoats. These are all the some accessories we will use to wear. We will use to wear in special occasions. In special days, we will use to wear this type of clothes. Okay, children. These are the different types of clothes we will wear in our daily life. Okay. So, care of clothes. Now, care of clothes. Now, I will say to you the care of clothes. Okay. We will learn about how we get the clothes. Okay. Everything we learn. So, now we have to. Yes, we have to know care of clothes. How do we have to take it? First of all, what are the clothes we will use that should be very clean and pressed? What we use? What we use? What we use that clothes clean and pressed clothes. We use clean and pressed. Clean and pressed clothes we have to use. Next one. Avuni kada. So can we use 2-3 days only one dress? Can we use? No, it will come a bad smell and it will be very dirty. Okay. So regularly we have to wash our clothes after use. After use. Okay. After that, colored clothes should be dry in shade. Colored clothes. Dried up in a shade. Okay. See, like that we have to be user. We have to be user. So after that. After user. Okay. See, again I am saying to you that we use clean and pressed clothes. Clean and pressed. Iron chesukoni pettukunnam kada. So clean and pressed clothes only we have to be used. Then wash our clothes after use. After use we have to wash them with soap and water. Soap use chesi manam chala neat ga we have to wash our clothes. And colored clothes dried up in a shade. And needle are then otherwise color will be damaged. Okay. Next about after used clothes. So these clothes will be we have to arrange. So we have to fold them and arrange in a wardrobe. Chakka after using the clothes we have to be arranged in a wardrobe. So this is about our clothes. So do you understand, children? Okay, in the next video, I will give you the hard words and everything. Okay, thank you.